Alright, so this is my base. I'm going to tack it, and after that I'm going to weld up the edge and then buff it. So I've got my piston that I'm going to put on like so, and I'm going to actually drill from the bottom side up. Actually, I'm going to drill these two holes here first, then drill back up into this, and then I will tap the piston so it will be held in place, and then I'll have to figure out how I'm going to lock this into place. Okay, I'm basically just lining up this line with this line. And then I will clamp it in place and drill. Alright, so I've drilled two holes on the bottom side. I drilled into the piston. I tapped the piston 1032. And that will hold this in place. It won't move. Now I'm going to attempt to drill two more holes. That way I can get this to be aligned and stay in place with two more screws. And we'll see how that works out. I think I've done it in the past. I just can't remember. So we'll drill those holes and then go from there. Alright, so I've already drilled another hole, and I'm going to try a 1032 and see if I can get that. Actually, I might try a smaller one. And we'll see if we can get this to steady up. Okay, that's the garbage. Head. No, it's not even touching it. All right. Maybe we'll have to upsize it. And, oh yeah, that's gonna do it. Okay, I locked it in position. So my center bolt, and I might put a washer underneath it. I'll line that up. And yeah, if I put a washer underneath that, that's steady. Again, I'll do a little extra added here with probably just a little bit of some kind of adhesive or a Loctite or super glue, and so that won't go any further either. But now that will be steady and strong. So for that, we'll stop there for this one, and then get some things painted, sandblasted, cleaned up, and then put together. Typically after every painting I will clean the threads, so it's easier for the screw to go in. Let's get my tap that I used before. Don't need to put any oil on it. Let's just take the old paint off. Alright, so this is exhaust baffling, and I'm just trying to use pieces, parts from all kinds of motorcycles and so forth. Okay, let's get that baby lined up. Most miles. And I will down. Pretty good.